I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind, and the other names. And this be Matacam. This life where we dey inside in home. Plenty people they value material things because they take them a hard earn money what they buy them. Something like house, something like cars, something like shadows and things. People like talk shadows are clothes and things the way we they wear. This matter where you can be say some man be where than the Bellam Sydney deal where he chop 27 years old. This man then left in keys for in car inside plus in own kiddie where he chop 1 year. Make the kiddie need die for the car inside. This matter I think how you make my mind no bust. I make basa where I say hey this one inside pan where we deal no. Why human being the value things where they hear more than some bro in life. Right now the kid in die. Make I talk you that thing. Make I go into deep. Make I talk you. That thing happen be say that time where he left in key for the car inside no. Now they behave strangely for around. So police people where they around no come closer to one where they come busy and say brother man what happened? Where you talk the police people say he left in keys for the car inside plus in own kiddie. When the police people talk and say, okay, you left your keys for the car inside there, and then you put then you put window in the chain aqualani the film. This man talk say nah, or no on your side because on nisika or the bed or the face sa glass on the back. So the police people there when you talk the police people say if they can't call what in bro. You told the police people say can or aircon is swinting aqualano a bit my antonym. So he told the police people no way you call him Bruno, say you make him bro come. So you call him Bruno, bro say he shouldn't they do anything. I didn't pay you beer or giant so beba beer as some night they is in. Nebra also buy and on the brand said then this thing will happen there. I be there all be saying for what? Before break the door no the keys no like the window no. In Bruno talk the same thing where he told the police people no. He talking what? In Bruno where he come no. Where in brother and talk say nah. This one he be what? He be kidding where he there inside though. You know be something where before take him joke then tense. Where brother man say okay you make it sure. Make him now call him what? In mommy for what house? Then in mommy no go call insurance. Then make them bring the lockdown cars no so that they will fit can belly the car no then jail the kiddies for the inside. Where in brother not call in mommy no. You call in mommy no to her. Your mommy need to no be available. Your mommy like your mommy in phone you go your mommy you know what no pick. This way it lead to what make the kiddie need what the kiddie need die just like that. The kiddie need die no. When your brother need the way to say Charlie the way things they go in the mommy know they pick their things. If you breaking way before break this what this glass. Then break the glass on the way then take the kiddie for the car inside now. Then kosha akola we na why they woo. Ababawa, kama pa. We don't know what the kiddie they can do for this wedding side. You own puppy try make the what the kiddie need die for the what the car inside. Why the police people don't arrest them? Police people don't arrest them on the spot now where they take and go police station. Because this one there, they say what he abused the right of the child no for the car inside. When his son make the kiddie need die for the car inside, no? So therefore take and go police station. They take and go police station where you make his sign bond. The bond where he sign will be $20,000 He happy for US. So you make his sign bond where then they make he what? Then they interrogate and then they ask some question. You know so obtain that my police sector and they only be some question be then things before if you caught and then take you go court before they will jail you then things. This be the matter way what it come. Make I talk something. Can't be something where you go feel work hard and buy. When human life, the person that died today, we don't go feel resurrect the person that come. So why you don't make them break the thing a long time before you go do all those things, where you delay where at long last, you do what? You make them break the door before they take the key. Where the keys, so make I take this platform to advise if you get car key. Where the car key, if you want key, if you make sure say you will get spare ones for what? Other places or spare ones for your pocket inside. So in case you lost other one, the other one is there, you're there. Some people buy car, then they go put different keys. Or then they hold be there, one key in pair where they were, then they hold. So this thing be advised when people for take them. If they buy car, the information say the keys, the I be brave. where the man who where you make this thing happen, I sure say the man you not be correct. I sure say you not be in now where you born the kiddie. You be in now where you born the kiddie where you take your son to make the kiddie come out. And I sure say you know go make this what thing. You know go make this fucking thing where you tap where you think about time. Where was he say it be some useless thing be where you make it happen and you know go do what this thing where it happen. This be the matter where you can wear me flamboyant lifestyle I take give you. You go feel leave your comment. Your comment be very, very, very necessary. You leave your comment anything be where you want talk you be allowed. You go feel rep make me all see. You feel to you go feel like then share on a page. Well, it be very, very important on all social media platforms. It be what? Too much what? GH. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Prayer always what? Work. Pow! Pow! Pow!
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody GDB. Madam, I say love you.
Too much GH. We boy what? Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Me dey the Isaiah Kodwampo. We betumi afem the great tempo. Mbring. One man come when you hear Too Much GH. Too much GH. Mu ye too much. Na me so me ye I'm more fire.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe Too Much GH. On say me kan ye nyane bonne pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Kat won na bomoden na be hwe Too Much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame shira na ura.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Human One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.